Good evening friends. In this video we are going to discuss and analyze the important changes as coming out from the recent announcement of Honorable Finance Minister on 24th March 2020. And a press release is also being issued in this regard. So I'm discussing paragraph number 3, 4 and 5 of that particular press release pertaining to GST. Para 3 says the composition dealer now can opt for composition dealer registration till 30th June 2020, and for the quarter January to March 2020 they may pay their taxes and file their return by 30th June 2020. From April to June 2020 they will pay their taxes and file their return as per their own due date. It is announcement only for the quarter Jan to March 2020. Due date is 30th June 2020 and opting for composition is now extended to 30th June 2020. Paragraph number 3 of that particular press release. Paragraph 4 talking about GSTR 9 annual return. GSTR 9C, which is reconciliation statement duly audited by practicing chartered accountant or cost accountant for financial year 2018-19, which was 31st March 2020, now getting extended to 30th June 2020. The recent amendment in CGST Rules 2017 and Rule 80 Sub-Rule 3, a proviso got inserted, and this proviso says now reconciliation statement which is duly audited by a chartered accountant or cost accountant to be filed by such taxpayer whose aggregate turnover is more than 5 crore, meaning thereby if your aggregate turnover is less than 5 crore, then you need not require to file your GSTR 9C reconciliation statement duly audited by a chartered accountant or cost accountant. This is for the financial year 2018-19. This is the announcement made pertaining to GSTR 9 and 9C for financial year 2018 and 19. Paragraph 5 of this press release is very important, which is saying that time limit for GST compliances pertaining to notice, reply to notice, filing of appeal, application, statement, refund, or any kind of compliance which is pertaining to furnishing of return as well, which is expiring in a period starting from 20th March 2020 to 29 June 2020 is now extended to 30th June 2020. So any compliance pertaining to GST law of the subject matter which I have stated, notice, refund application, appeal filing, furnishing of return, etc., which is expiring in this period 20th March to 29 June 2020, getting extended to 30th June 2020. And this is very important. Like those who are supposed to file GSTR 7, GSTR 8 and due date is getting expired in this time period. For them now date would be 30th June 2020. This is what the announcement is being made. Now, this particular paragraph 5 is very important. In another video, we have already discussed the relaxation and due date extension pertaining to GSTR 3B and GSTR 1 for taxpayer whose aggregate turnover up to 5 crore and more than 5 crore. And in this video, we have discussed relaxation announced for the composition dealer and for annual return GSTR 9 and 9C for financial 18-19, and paragraph 5, which is very important, And this paragraph 5 is widely applicable pertaining to lot many provision which is need to be complied under GST law, and time period expired in a period 20th March to 29 June 2020, everything getting extended to 30th June 2020. So looks like government is going to issue specific notification or circular, or maybe one specific comprehensive removal of difficulties order to make all these changes effective in GST law. So look forward all these changes, which is relaxing the due date, and due date are extended. We all know in the light of we all are fighting with coronavirus. Lockdown 21 days is being announced by Honorable Prime Minister. In the light of fighting with corona, these relaxation is being announced by Honorable Finance Minister. So all the tax professionals are being relieved. They may stay back at their home, and they must stay back at their home during this time period, 21 days lockdown. We must stand united together to fight against corona. And these relaxation and due date extension are laudable one. We appreciate, and thereby we can stay back at home, take care of ourselves and take care of our family. Thanks for watching this particular video. Thank you very much.